What's up, guys? Wait. Okay, we're doing it. Yay. Today we're going to be what's inside the box challenge. I know what you're thinking. How am I going to do this by myself? But I'm not. Okay. So there's a box right here. Sorry, it's the only box we can find. So the rules are, is that good? Okay.
Or we just take this pillow.
That's even better. Okay, is that better? Perfect. Anyway, the rules are, the person who is not sticking their hand in the box has to, person who's not sticking their hand in the box has to pick something to put in the box, and the person who is sticking their hand in the box, if they guess it right, then they get a point. If they get it wrong, it switches to the other person. It's a good thing I was pointing exactly to Reese right there. Anyway, okay, so Reese decided that I'm sticking my hand in first. Okay, Reese, I'm gonna close my eyes for 20 seconds. You need to find something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You done?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna give her a try. Headband. What is it?
It's close to a headband. It's a Minnie Mouse headband.
Okay. That was a bit too specific. It was a bit too specific. Okay, so it goes to her. Sit that right there. Okay, so she's gonna count for 20 seconds. Okay, she's going.
3, 4, 5, 6,
It's weird.
7,
Here it is.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
I don't know the name of this thing, so it's gonna be really hard.
19, 20.
Okay, come on. Wait, close your eyes. Place them that way and stick your hand. Okay. Ready?
It's the purple turtle. Wait.
Wait, it's a disc. You got it wrong. Never mind, that was a terrible disc. It hit my eyeball.
Okay, it's gonna turn. He's gonna close his eyes.
Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hey, no
5,
picking.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Ready?
Okay.
Hey, you look.
Ow, feel it. Where is it? What is it, a pretzel?
Yes. I whispered to the camera that it was a pretzel.
I didn't hear it or anything.
Yeah, 'cause I whispered it.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. We're going? Going?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
When you get up here, just close your eyes.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Sydney Lou Bear. Okay. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. I'm not trust you. There's the hole right here. There's the hole.
The bear?
What kind of bear? What's her name? I think we know it is her.
I know it's a girl.
Okay, try to get it. Can't look on the camera. I'm not sure looking it down. Because we want to give some support to you guys.
I forgot her name.
You can give up and I can tell you when you make some point.
Okay, I give up.
It's Sydney Lou!
Oh!
It's Sydney Lou!
I was thinking of Goldilocks.
Goldilocks and the Three Bears, but they didn't have bears included it, So she doesn't get a point, and it goes on to me.
So, come on.
She's gone. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna close my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
Oh, it's that thing we put laundry in.
Yes, it is. Yes, yes, it's Gator.
Get my head.
We'll close this for a minute. Take it off.
Got it.
Okay, my turn. No, my turn to put something in it. Wait, no, it's your turn to put something in it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Hairbrush.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, you can go. I'm ready. Try it.
I'm dizzy.
Shut up.
Okay. Where is it?
See, she gets it right.
That's my comb. It's my comb. I knew it was.
Okay, she's leading with 1. Okay, we're gonna do this 2 more times.
2 more times.
Whoever wins this wins the video and gets to do the outro. Okay, let's go. Okay, so
Close your eyes.
let's do it. 1. Just tell me when you're ready.
Cover this up so like it will be a surprise.
No, they can see it
Oh yeah.
because they're the viewers. You ready?
Nope.
It's hard to find stuff now, ain't it? Ready?
Nope.
On the video? Okay, there you go.
No, not ready yet. Still not ready.
Let me go in here. Ah! Let me go over here and you can tell the video.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Nope.
Jeez, what's on the video? Did you try to get something and then I thought it was a bit too obvious?
Yeah.
You ready?
Nope. Now I'm ready. There's 2 things in there.
Whoa, what's the big finale? Okay, that's the ball I played football with Cooper. And it's a mirror.
Yep, you got both right. 2 points.
I'm the champion! Okay, so I got 2. I got 5.
No, you only get 1 point for winning.
I had 5 and you had 4. You just said 5 points. Comment down below if she just said 5 points. I wasn't looking at the camera. Sorry. Comment down below if you think she said 2 points. I don't know if I would put that down. Okay. Also comment down below. I'll be replying to a bunch of you. Also, hit that like button.
1 more round.
And this is going to be the finale. I'm going to pick it. I think I have the perfect thing in mind. Okay. Okay, also, subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be doing videos every week. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Close your eyes. It's a bell ball. Keep counting. And a flexible ring. I'm ready, Reese. I'm ready. Okay. when she's coming up here, we'll count up all our points and see who won. Comment down below if she's gonna get it right or if she's gonna get it wrong, and I'll take the victory. Also, tell me if you're new, I'll give you a shout out. So Lega, go ahead. Okay.
I put both hands in. Both hands in. It's that rattle ball. That purple rattle ball.
It's called something else.
B.
What's inside of it?
Bell.
So what is it? It's a bell. You just said it.
Bell ball.
Okay, got one right. Another thing. Okay, she got the bell ball right.
There's something right.
Where is it?
Oh, I found it.
What is it? Starts with an F. And it's two words. Starts with an F, and then the other word starts with an R. Okay, she got one right, so I'm leading by one. You give up? Nope. You give up?
Is it, this is called a rubber band.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You give up?
Yes.
It's a flexible ring. I won by one. Victory! I'm skipping around. Oh, no. Throw it at me. It'll be a good ending.